Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Merge multiple exposure bracketed images into a single HDR image using Lightroom Classic CC. HDR stands for High Dynamic Range and refers to a photographic technique designed to produce a greater range of visible luminosity in images than is possible with standard photographic techniques. HDR images are typically created by combining at least two different exposures of the same photo into one image. To create an HDR image using Lightroom Classic CC, click to select the photos you want to merge. Next, select Photo, Photo Merge, HDR from the menu bar. The Hdr Merge Preview dialog box then appears on screen. By default, Lightroom Classic CC applies check marks to both the Auto Align and Auto Settings features. The Auto Settings feature provides a good overall starting point for producing a final image that is evenly toned. The Auto Align feature helps to reconcile differences between the images. If the photos were shot using a tripod, you may not need to use the Auto Align feature. You can uncheck these features if you don't want to apply them. As you work in the Hdr Merge Preview dialog box, Lightroom Classic CC provides a preview image. Occasionally you might notice that exposure bracketed images appear unnatural or semi-transparent after being merged. To correct these unwanted effects, you can select one of the deghost amount options. The low option will resolve minor movement between frames. The medium option will cure moderate movement, and the high option provides the maximum resolution of movement between frames. For best results, apply the lowest amount of deghosting necessary to obtain a clean image. If necessary, click the Show Deghost Overlay checkbox. After making selections within the Hdr Merge Preview dialog box, then click the Merge button to create the HDR image. Lightroom Classic CC creates the image and adds it to your catalog.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.